What's up everybody, it's Kacha here and we're back with another furniture makeover. This week I'm so excited because I got this beautiful vintage, real deal secretary desk. I've been on a search for a secretary desk for a while now, and when I saw this piece in the shop, I had to have it. It's just beautiful. It came with a key. Every lock works. This one and the bottom drawers. I'm actually going to keep the hardware because I think this hardware matched this look perfectly, and it has these little drawers inside. I found these beautiful things, vintage things. Actually, there's still papers in there. This is the paper powder that ladies used to use back in the days. We have this little area here so you can lock, put your things away. This is a file holder. It is just so beautiful. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the hardware and clean the piece so I can have a fresh and clean piece to start. I can feel the screws are a little rusty, so maybe I will have to replace that, because I can just feel, I can feel it, and it's rust there. And so much dirt. So that's why you have to always remove the hardware when you're painting your pieces, regardless if you are painting over the hardware or not, just remove that. Painting with Annie Sloan, one of the most beautiful things about her paint is that you don't have to sand and prime in most cases, but you do have to give it a good clean before applying the paint. This piece, I visualize it to be classy, so for that reason I picked this beautiful color Olive by Annie Sloan. For this I will be using Annie Sloan medium bristle brush. Since this brush is old, really old, I like to give it a little moist, just a little bit, before I start painting. This soften up the brush, the bristles. When you're applying the first coat, don't worry so much about being perfect. Just use a light coat and paint in every which direction. You're just trying to get that first coat down. It doesn't have to look pretty. For inside of the desk, I decided to keep this part unpainted, just paint the bottom of it, and then later on I'm going to add gold details. I picked this beautiful transfer. It's called Somewhere in France. It's a beautiful gold transfer, so classy, and it's going to look so good on this piece. So this transfer comes in 3 sheets. I have this one, is the middle part, this one is the bottom, and this one is the top. This is the middle of the sheet, so, and the keyhole is in the middle, so I'm just going to go off that. Remember, the transfer is always going before wax or before protection, so you want to put it straight onto the paint. It's gorgeous. I love how gold it is. It's so pretty and it's matching this olive color so good. Wow, that is so pretty. What a beautiful transfer. First we're going with this, and then we are going to connect with this one, and I think it's a perfect measurements. Beautiful. Beautiful. For the hardware, I pick Eternal Decor Wax. It's matching the gold transfer perfectly. It's a very close shade to that gold. So we're going to apply on all hardware and we're going to let it dry overnight. This is how it looks now, nice and fresh, and it has solid coverage. And now we're going to protect everything, and for that we will be using Anislon Clear Wax and Redesign with Prima waxing brush. I'm still planning to put dark wax, but before we apply dark wax you have to put clear wax first, so you're able to move your colored wax as you want. Also, clear wax is protecting the transfer. Because the color is getting darker, so the transfer is more noticeable. I'm going to wipe it with a microfiber cloth to remove all the extra. Now we're going to apply some black wax by Annie Sloan to add some depth and shading and character to this piece because it's so classy. Just going softly in there. I'm done with the front using black wax. I still have to add to the sides. I created some borders, some depth. I really love how it looks. Don't be afraid to use dark wax, black wax. It can only improve and make your furniture even better. Just don't be afraid to use it. And if you mess up, remember, mineral spirits is always there. Now I'm going to let all this dry and I will be back tomorrow to finish the inside. I have some plans for it and put the hardware and some gold gilding wax here and there, and we will be all done. And now for the final details, I'm going to decoupage inside of the desk and I'm going to rejuvenate, is that a word? And for this area here, I'm going to use beeswax to add a little shine and make it look nice. I'm going to also add some gold details here on the hardware, on these areas here. And I'm going to add the hardware and we will be done. So I'm thinking to decoupage this here using newsprint decoupage paper. I think it's matching perfectly. And first I'm going to decoupage this area here inside, and I'm just going to mark with my nails the area where it needs to be cut. For this we're using matte gel, and this is a glue and a sealant. So you use this as a glue to glue your papers and to protect your paper. I'm using the transfer tool that I was using earlier on the transfer to get all the air out. It's very easy to remove the extra when you have a sharp corner. You just go over and look, that is so easy. Now we're going to apply this wax on the part that is not painted. It's very nice. It smells like oranges. Now I'm going to apply the same decor wax I was using on the hardware on the details using this fine detail brush. And we are done with this beautiful desk. I'm so in love with everything, the color, the transfer, gold details inside. This piece has so much character, history, and I can't wait to see it go to its forever home. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time with a new project and more ideas. Bye guys!